He's just gonna go freeze his nuts off. All right. Moved to the smallest town. Thought I had the brightest car. Turns out it's another generic. This car is insanely dirty, but the drone will make it look real pretty. This is kind of the story of how I moved into the Fast and the Furious house. Little white house, quiet street, single driveway, bit of an uphill, garage in the back. Hell yeah, brother. Look at that, first car wash in almost 6 months. He looks like an absolute freaking gem. Pretty happy. This has got to be one of the nicest car washes I've ever used in the smallest town I've ever been in. You know what? You got to risk it to get the biscuit. You're usually going to get 2 out of 3. You're going to get good weather. You're going to get your car clean, and you're going to get a good sunset. Not good weather. It's pretty freaking cold out, but the sun's going down. We're by the water. We're surrounded by water, and there's nobody here fishing, and there's always somebody here fishing. So I figured, you know what? Today's going to be the day. We're going to go and get the shots. We're going to make some magic. So here we are. Stay tuned. Come on, focus. Owning this car is just never a dull moment. She's now filthy because we drove through some off-roading. Who needs a truck anyways? The only thing that really upset me is another car passed me, some young guy in like a fully stock Subaru Legacy, and he was motoring. If I didn't have my windows up, the dirt was coming inside the car. He just sidle waved me, which, I don't know. Kind of a dink move. Back to the car wash, I guess. We'll do it later. I'm not that worried about it. However, we crashed the drone for this. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.